Hello and welcome to the video on substituting numbers for variables. So in this video we're going to use some shapes and I'm going to give a number to each of these shapes and then they will become our variables. So the red square I'm going to give the number 2 to. Our green circle I'm going to give the number 3 to, and the blue triangle is going to be 5. So our first question is going to be the red square plus the green circle. So we know that the red square represents the number 2, or stands for the number 2, and we know that the green circle represents or stands for the number 3. And we were adding those together, so we'll put an add. And then we just have 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. This is question number 2. So here we have the green circle plus the blue triangle. So we know that the green circle represents or stands for the number 3, and we know that the blue triangle represents or stands for the number 5. And again we're adding those together, so we now have 3 plus 5, and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, so here we have some more examples for us to work through. So question number 3 is the green circle take away the red square. So the green circle is the number 3, the red square is the number 2, so that's 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Then question 4 is the blue triangle minus the green circle. So the triangle is the number 5, and our circle, green circle, is the number 3. So that's 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. And then question 5 is the blue triangle plus the red square take away the circle, the green circle. So our triangle is the number 5, and that's added to our square, which is the number 2, and then we're taking away the number 3 for our green circle. So 5 plus 2, working that part out first, is 7, and then taking away 3, because we haven't done anything with that, so 7 take away 3, which is equal to 4. So again, we have more examples that we can work through. So question 6 is the red square times the blue triangle. So the red square is 2, and we're multiplying that by the blue triangle, which is 5. So 2 times 5, which is 10. Question 7 is the green circle, which is 3, and that's multiplied by the blue triangle, which is 5. So 3 times 5, which is 15. If you notice, every time I'm just putting the numbers underneath and then I'm just working out the value. So question 8, you're going to put the numbers underneath. So the blue triangle, which is 5, that's multiplied by the green circle, which is 3, and then we're adding the red square, which is 2. So you may know from the BIDMAS acronym that we have to do the multiplication first. So 5 times 3 is 15. And we didn't do anything with the plus 2, so that drops down onto our next line of working. And then we finally have 15 plus 2. And 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay, so for the last part of this video, I'm going to change the shapes. I'm going to put letters. So our red square is going to be X. Our green circle is going to be Y. And our blue triangle is going to be Z. So if I then said, what is X plus Y, we'd look over here and we'd see that X is the red square, and the red square was 2, so we just put a number 2. And I'll drop our add down, addition sign, and then we'll look, well, we've got Y, and Y was the green circle, and that green circle was 3, so we'll just put 3 for Y, and then that is equal to 5. So what I've shown there is that we don't need the shapes, we can just have letters. So we'll do another example. We'll have Y plus Z. So we'll look at, and Y was the green circle, and the green circle was 3. And then we've got Z, so we've got add plus Z. Z was the blue triangle, and we said that the blue triangle was 5, so we've got 5. So then we're just doing 3 plus 5, which is of course equal to 8. So again, what I'm showing there is that we don't need the shapes. We can have letters. And that's really what algebra is. Final example of the video, I'm going to ask, what is Z plus Y take away X? So we're going to work from left to right on this. So Z was our blue triangle, which was 5, and that is added to Y, which was our green circle, and we said that our green circle is the number 3. And then we're taking away the red, well, X, which is the red square, and we said that the red square was the number 2. So this now is no different to any problem that we had before. So we do 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. And we didn't do anything with the take away 2, so we'll drop that down. And now we're left with 8 minus 2, which is 6.